Hey guys, so today I got this Pocketbac holder from Bath and Body Works. It's a little silicone pumpkin that lights up. And obviously I am here to bedazzle. So we are going to begin off by filing down the surface. We want all those rhinestones to be able to stick on. So we have to make sure everything's nice and prepped. The little black part's actually kind of in, so I had to push it out to make sure it was also filed down. So a little help is putting your Pocketbac hand sanitizer to at least give it some type of help, so you're not having so much hard time filing it down. So I'm done here. I'm going to clean off all that dust with some alcohol. So now I am done doing that. I'm going to start doing my mix of rhinestones and pearls. I am using a few shades of orange. As you can tell, this one's still kind of yellow, but it is a light orange. And I added some AB rhinestones also. So it is all ready. One thing I like to do is put everything on a clear container like I just did, and then put it against the surface that I'm going to bling out so you can get kind of an idea of how it's going to look. So here you can see I am already started bedazzling. I am doing a mix. It is different sizes. It is different stones. Like I said, I am using pearls and regular rhinestones, but they're all some type of shade of orange. So when you are blinging out silicone, it is very, very important for you to make sure you are not putting your rhinestones close together enough that they can touch, because silicone surfaces tend to be very, very bendable, and they will be bending depending on what item you're doing. So if they're touching, it is more likely for them to fall off. So you can see here I am leaving little gaps, to make sure that the rhinestones are not touching, because I don't want my rhinestones to be falling off. This is a Pocketbac holder and it will be going on my keys. Keys are very commonly used every single day to open your door, to drive your car, whatever, So it's going to be hitting a lot of things. So I want to make sure this is very, very durable. So as you can see here, I am going around the front of the face of the pumpkin. I also don't want to put rhinestones at the edges. You see where it connects to the eyes, to the black part? It goes in. It's going to hang off. So you don't want no rhinestones hanging off the surface. So also here you see the indentations where it makes the line for the pumpkin. Don't put no big rhinestones right there, and don't put any rhinestones on the line, because it's going to be off the surface. It's not going to be laying flat, and those will fall off. So don't put anything on there. Make sure every spot you're putting a rhinestone, it is flat. Okay, flat, make sure. And according to how small the space is, that's how big of a rhinestone you can place there. Okay, so always take that into consideration. If you see the spot is not big enough for a size rhinestone, put a smaller rhinestone. So this is how it's looking so far. So quick review again, like I said, don't put your rhinestones so close together, and don't put rhinestones on the surfaces that are not flat. So as you can see here, I am beginning to bedazzle the eyes. So like I said, the black parts are kind of indented, as you can see. So I want to make sure I am placing the glue on right and not making my rhinestones overlap and be hanging off. I want to make sure the rhinestone sizes that fit just in that section. And I am using a mix of black color rhinestones. So this is how it's looking so far. And then I went on ahead and did the rest of the front of the Pocketbac holder. This is how it's looking. And I went on ahead and did a little bit on the top, but like I said, make sure your rhinestones are flat, that they're not hanging off, because it is kind of a round section right there. So make sure they fit nicely. You see how I had a little bit of trouble placing them right there? They have to be small enough that they're not going to be hanging off. You see that right there? I'm trying to show you guys that there was a bit of a gap right there. So I put a little bit more glue so they could stay on. And then just go ahead and do the same thing in the back. Leave that little gap because it will need it. And you see how I'm doing a line, and I did not place any on that line of the pumpkin because I don't want those rhinestones popping off. So yeah, that's how simple it is to bling out your silicone. So as you guys can see here, I am just about done bedazzling this Pocketbac holder. You know, Bath & Body Works is always coming out with all these new Pocketbac holders, and I am a collector and I do love to bedazzle them. So this is something I do, and I would suggest you guys do it too, just to take your Pocketbac to another level. So now you know how to bling them out, because most of them are silicone. So this is an easy hack to do on all of them. And this is the results. Look, I'm squishing it, I'm moving it, nothing's falling off, and I know it's gonna last. So put in your hand sanitizer and it's ready to go. So I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. Look how cute it looks, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.